let's marinate this lamb together. Let's marinate. I have lamb, so I'm going to marinate it and roast it when I come back from the church. But this morning, I just want to chop it in so that my spices can go in. Saute lamb. So I'm going to be putting salt generously. This is my chili pepper. Just going to combine everything together. Then I'll set it aside. So here I have oregano. They call it bakarika. That's different spices. So I'm going to add just, it has oregano, it has different other spices. So I'm putting it. I need my chili pepper. I want to feel that I'm eating something. So I'm going to mix it together. This is my white pepper. I just put some of my white pepper. Right. I'll put black pepper in. This white, the other one was black. Did I just, okay, this white pepper. I'll put in my curry. Seasoning. I'll crush this down. Put a few water on it. Okay. Onions powder. I don't want garlic, so that's why I'm going to be putting in a lot of. I'll be putting in a lot of onions because I don't want garlic. So I'm going to put in more thyme. So this is, you can get this in any of your home, something you have in your house. I know people here doesn't use chili, but I want to feel the chili in. So that's why I'm taking my time to fill it in. So I'm taking my time to fill it in. So just rubbing it in. Make sure all the holes you're rubbing in something. Generously. So I'm going to turn it over and I will do the same thing. Here I've not added salt at all. So I'm going to add my salt. So I'm going to just add everything. So it goes around it. So as you are carrying it up, you're feeling something. So I'm going to add in my fresh onions. To get in my lamb, my liver, and I'm going to be adding it in rigorously. So this will help dissolve the fat. I'm adding one more. It will help dissolve the fat, and the flavor will be bursting. That every piece of it that you eat, you have something little sour and little pepperish. Just a little bit of it. And that's it. Covering it up and allow it to marinate together. And meanwhile, I cover up when it goes into the oven until it's well cooked. I'm still going to be adding in a little water because I want it cooked. So this might take me going into the oven for the next 3 hours on a slow heat. So it will take 3 hours in the oven. I'm saying I will add a cup of water and allow it in the oven for 3 hours. Okay, thank you. I'm going to add in some water. I'll add in some water and I will allow it to cook slowly until all the waters dry up. I'm going to cover it still with the foil paper. So I'll allow it to cook slowly in my oven until all the water for an hour. Then after that, I'll remove the foil paper and I'll allow it to grill itself. So let's get into it. Thank you so much. And I had to add some potato to have something to feed on. So look at it. I'm going to put it off now and bring it out. So look at it. Wow, you see, it just come out on its own without you pulling. Just everything just come out on its own. See it. Hmm. Wow. With me till now. Please look at me thumbs up. Share and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell.